Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. It's Friday, so you already know we are trading options. We're reviewing our plays from last week. And my gosh, what a volatile week. Right now, we're down 2% on the day. Not too crazy, but it was a ride. You know we're heavy in miners, and wow, it's a day of reckoning. So let's take a look at it. For the week, down 2.59%. For the month, up 9.79 or 10 grand. 3 months, up 22,000. Year to date, up 19,000. 1 year up 24,000, all time since we moved the account over 50%, up $40,000. Not too shabby. So buying power 3,628. We had a lot of plays this week. We sold some CONL puts. We're wheeling out of CONL completely. We sold some CleanSpark shares at market. We sold some crazy covered calls, and we rolled some calls today. And then we also had Soxel absolutely die this week, and so we are managing that position as well. So let's take a look at it. Let's look how we're gonna make some money. And of course, as always, let's buy ourselves some QQQ. Total contributions 5,000. Right now I have a Soxel put in there for $0. We may take assignment of those, just really deciding. I sold some TSLL puts. We're up $60 on those. Those should expire worthless. TSLL is in the green today, so we don't want to sell puts on that. We sold some Soxel puts. My gosh, this stock absolutely got obliterated this week. We sold them for $150. Right now for the week, Soxel is down, let's see, I think it's like 30%. Yeah, down 27% for the week, so that got absolutely beat up. I do think we're going to have a short-term bounce there, so we may take assignment. Mara, we sold some puts at the 17.5 for 120 that are up $120 as of right now. We can buy those to close for a penny. Amazon, we sold the 217 call. It's up $38 as of right now. So we can roll it out, but Amazon is currently down 4.33% for the day, so we will just let those expire worthless. SMCI, we got the 37 calls in. We're up $16 on that. That'll expire worthless. Mara, we sold the 19.5 calls in a hope to get assigned. We are going to get assigned there. We were paid $61 there, so really we're selling at over $20, $20.11. If we look at Mara, it's trading at $20.96, so we could have squeezed a little bit more out of there. But all in all, I'm happy. We have 100 shares at an average cost of $70.21. We will be letting those go, and we will book the 229 in profit on the will side of it, plus the $61 in appreciation. So not too bad on a weekly for Mara. CONL, these say in the negative, but let's remember what it means. I'm losing CONL at 40. That's 100 shares. I'm losing CONL at 44. That's another 100 shares. And I'm losing 2 at 41. All in all, if we look at CONL, we are up right now. We have $23,000. We're up $9,000 on that. So we are absolutely cashing in. Our cost basis is $35.32. We've sold puts and we've sold calls on this for months. So we are absolutely going to cash in on this, right? $500 on one, another couple thousand on another. It is going to be a multi-$1,000 move, and we will be completely back to cash. And we've already started selling puts in order to try to get our shares back, right? So what I did this week is I sold some cash secured puts. I sold 2 at the 35. We were paid $340 to try and re-enter there. 1 at the 30. We were paid $145 there, so about $500 worth of premium, and that's just on 3 lots. If we do get another dip on CONL, I will continue to sell more. I have loved that one. It is an absolute cash cow. So that's CONL. DJT, we have the $15 put there. That is up $173. This will go down to 0. We'll probably just let it expire worthless. Absolutely killed that trade. Soxel calls, we cover those for next week. They're up $66 as of right now. I sold some more CleanSpark puts, and these are down now, which means if CleanSpark doesn't rally in the next week, I will get assigned those, but no problem. We got paid $260 for that. And we sold some CleanSpark shares as well. So if we look at CleanSpark on the chart, we absolutely cashed in this week. Average cost of $15.86. If we come down here to the history, let's just look at how this has gone. We're going to go to the Roth IRA. Check this out. 260 on the call roll today. 260 on the put. 33.66 is what I got for my market sold. I sold 200 shares at 16.83. We booked a nice profit there, about $200 worth of profit there. And we sold a call this week for $400 on Monday. That, as you saw, we closed it for $1 right here. If we look at If we look at this roll here, we closed it for $1.01. So CleanSpark, absolutely cleaning house, just paying us massive amounts of premium. And so what do we do with all that premium? Well, we come in and we buy our forever holds, and that is the only QQQ. Up 9% on this trade. Of course, we're coming in, we're buying $100 worth, all paid for by Options Premium. Every single week, we buy more shares from Options Premium. We build our forever hold, and we're up to 14.5 shares, about $7,200. So those are the plays on the table. Next week, we have Nvidia earnings. Nvidia has been absolutely slapped around. It's down 6.6% today on NVDL. Nvidia, the stock alone is down 3.3% today. So what do we want to do? Well, first things first, I want to roll, and I want to try to get some of my shares back. And we're going to try to do that down here at this 17.5-ish mark, right? Yes, it's not a crazy amount of premium, still $51. Let's see if we can get a roll in there. If we can't, that's fine. We'll let it expire worthless, and we'll sell again on Monday. I'm not too worried about it, but we'll try to get the roll in there. It looks like my roll is probably not going to go through on Soxo, so we will be taking assignment there. No worries, though, at the 29. If we go into Soxo itself, even on this huge down day, if we come in here and we trade options for next week and we sell the call at the 29, we're still talking $62. 5 contracts, that's a $309 a week. We will sell those on Monday, so no problem there. So we'll take assignment of the Soxo. TSLL will expire worthless. These Mara puts hopefully will roll. If they don't roll, then they will expire worthless as well. Amazon's expiring worthless. SMCI, we can probably roll this one out. It's up 2.4%. Let's see if we can get a roll out there. And let's take a look. Even if we just go, let's go safer. Something like, yeah, let's do like a 33, right? Gets a little bit of credit there. If we can get, let's try the 52. See if we can get a fill there for $52. I'll take $52 on the week. Boom, just like that. So SMCI is out, and we collected some money there. We have a truckload of income or money that's going to be hitting the account, right? If we come here to our CONL position, we have $23,000 worth of buying power that is coming back to us on Monday. So there's $23,000. We'll make a lot of plays there. And then we have about $7,000 from TSLL. So that's $30,000 that's going to be hitting the account. If we don't get the roll on Mara, that's another, $6,000. So it'll be $36,000 of cash. Holy shnikes, we're going to have a lot of money to sell puts on. We're going to try to collect that income. But first things first, as always, let's go into the spreadsheet and let's take a look. I did an update before. CleanSpark, we let them go for $194 worth of profit. Obviously, Mara, I need to get updated on here, and all the plays we just made, I need to get updated. But what a crazy month. If we look at here, November, we're sitting at $2,042. Not too bad, honestly. Not too bad at all. $2,042 worth of premium. Oh, whoops. Let me come back here to the Roth. $2,042 worth of premium so far. $1,360 a week, not including what we just did. Really good month. Over 2% on our money right now. Of course, we completed some wills, so the will is going to be updating. We'll probably get that to a couple $100 this month. And not too bad on $120,000, $130,000 account, collecting $2,000 in a premium. Not too bad. These are where our money has been coming in. CleanSpark at the top because we finally got a nice bounce with Bitcoin hitting $90,000. We got a nice bounce in CleanSpark, and we look to cash in this week. Hopefully we can get back to cash. Would love to sell some more shares at that 16 or above. So CleanSpark leading the train, $4,000 worth of income this year. Mara $3,300, CONL $2,900, Tesla $2,322, NVDL $1,200, Soxel $1,000, and then we go down from there, right? So not too bad. $16,000 worth of income for the year. The biggest thing I'm looking for this week is this will cap gains, right? We got the one for CleanSpark. We're gonna hit Mara tonight, and we're gonna hit CONL tonight. And it's going to go absolutely to the moon, right? It's going to be a several $1,000 month. The miners are starting to play. This is what we've been building for. We knew that this day was coming. Bitcoin breaking out, the miners breaking out with it, and we are going to take advantage of it. So that's the month as of right now. We have 2 weeks left in the month to get it done. I think we can probably hit a $3,000 month if I'm going to be honest with you. So it might be a record-breaking month. over the last couple of months. October, we obviously did 4,000. November, we're at 2,000 now. September, we already beat that. August, we beat that. And then July is a little bit skewed because we had to roll some income from some in the money Tesla and TSL positions. So we're looking good. I'll take $16,000 worth of income on this type of account. I'll take the $1,600 worth of wheel cap gains, and we hope we will be increasing that to probably over 2,000. And things are looking really good. So that is the update on the account. Those are the trades for this week. Be looking for my trades, obviously either in the Discord or on Twitter, darkminer71. I will share those on Monday as I continue to position my put plays. Again, I want more puts on Mara. I want more puts probably on CleanSpark, and I want more puts on CONL. Those are definitely ones I'm looking at. Other ones I'm looking at for next week. TNA had a 5% down day today. I may be looking at that. I may be looking at a little bit of MSTR if we have a down day. I may be looking at a little bit of AMD if we continue to fall. I may be looking at Labu. It's down 16% today. And then obviously Nvidia earnings. I probably want a little 0.1 delta on NVDL. So those are the plays I'm looking at for next week. Thank you as always for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like. I appreciate each and every single one of you. I hope you enjoy this content and the updates that I provide each and every single week. Happy investing, and we will catch you next week.